the door.
Oh, there you go.
Ah, we did it. We did it. Yay.
Yes, I'm back with another one, and those guys are at it again. Okay. And we're here on the Jersey Shore. We can't meet up with Ken Heron. What are we gonna do today? We're gonna probably go over to Lucy.
I'm hoping they're talking about Lucy and a few other places to go to.
Well, we're here down by what's that? Shriver's, the saltwater taffy store. You know, if you guys could come down and get your saltwater taffy, right over here at Shriver's. Don't listen. Great place. I bought some stuff last year. Probably gonna get some stuff to take back home with me again. But what's going on?
Nothing. It's my second time coming back. I look forward to it. It's a little cold, but there's still people here. Ken and the guys are on the other side of the pavilion.
Yeah, they're really killing it with those Avadas.
Yeah, it's like Avada heaven around here. But everything's DJI. Unfortunately, no FPV. I left my FPV home. A few other guys did. Ken Heron is having an issue with his, but let's go see what's happening.
But we're going to put the bird up and get some shots. Hope you enjoy the flight. Well, it's freezing cold and I'm down here on the Jersey Shore. I'm waiting for Ken to come over here. Oh, here he is. He's playing his games again. Always the comedian.
Good to see you.
How's it going, man?
Pretty good.
I had to make it out here to hang out with you.
Thank you. Do I have any snot coming out? I never know.
I keep checking myself because it's cold out.
I don't want to be on camera with like a booger sickle. I don't want that.
Just wait till it freezes and you can just flick it right off.
That's good advice. Yeah. Where are we going to go after?
I don't know. I heard guys talking about Lucy.
Lucy?
Yeah.
All right. They recently renovated her.
I saw that.
And
Ron's been keeping up on Lucy.
They let us fly her before.
Well,
but that was when she was all messed up.
Yeah.
And they knew they were going to renovate her. Now that she's all shined up, will they still let us fly her open propeller quads near her?
Well, why not? We had the tour. And
we did.
If she was under renovation then or messed up then and they let us fly around then, I can't see why not now.
What's a few prop scuff marks?
Yeah, why not?
All right.
We made it down here to Lucy, and it's going down here at Lucy. Like I said, we're here. Ken actually got permission from the people over here to fly inside of Lucy. But we're going to put the birds back up and get some shots around Lucy. Ken's getting ready to take his
whoever wants to be on YouTube.
Lucy.
Okay. Those stairs are so tight. Okay, so we're in here again. Window, go to the front, we'll show the little door that goes to her trunk and her eyeballs. You can look through there and look out Lucy's eyeballs. Come back down this way. Go to the butt window. Let me see everybody in the butt window. Hello, everybody. Sarah's waving. All right, now, attempt number 2. I don't see Barkley, but he's probably in there.
You got to tell him to open the door when you're ready.
Yeah, no, I'm not coming out yet. I'm going up to the Hauda
Okay.
without crashing this time. The trick is I have to get my face right near the freaking stairs, because if I don't, then I'm going to hit something on the back end. Good Lord. Okay. All right, Hauda. Great. I'm out on the Hauda. We'll do an orbit. And then we'll come in and go down. Down's going to be a little bit more difficult, I imagine. I'm going to angle my camera a little bit down. Man, this is such a tight spot. Here we go.
You above the stairs?
Yeah, I'm in the stairwell.
He's in the stairwell now?
I'm in the top stairwell.
Oh, top stair.
Yep. Oh, this is so hinky. So hinky. Made it through. All right. And all right. I'll tell you when, Scott. I'm coming to the stairs. Exit this way. Ugh, such tight quarters. It goes left and right. All right, Scott, open the door. Ah, we did it. We did it. Yay. All right.
Wow, it's getting cold out here, and that was our time here. You see, Ken made it successful through Lucy.
Yes.
Like I said, that was our time here the day after Christmas Jersey Shore meetup with Ken Heron. We had a lot of fun. This is the third time I've been out here.
My second.
Yeah, his second, but my third. But we've had a lot of fun today. And like I said, this is our time out here, and I hope you enjoyed the flight. Please feel free to check out the descriptions below, and also feel free to leave your comments. And I'll see you next time with those guys.